Hello, language explorers. It's me, Anne, from Walk a Day English, where we provide daily walk themes combined with English language learning. If you are new to WADE, check out our welcome video to see how it all works. Today, we're exploring public art in our neighborhoods and learning how to use past modals like might have and may have to sound more like native speakers when talking about our experiences. This lesson will help you describe possibilities and guesses about the past, making your English richer and natural. Let's begin with some vocabulary you'll find useful for talking about public art. Public art is any artwork displayed in public spaces, such as murals, sculptures, mosaics, and installations. As you walk, notice the colors, the shapes, the materials. Maybe you'll see a mural painted on a wall, a metal sculpture in a park, or a mosaic on the sidewalk. Write down new words you discover, and if you're unsure of the English term, look it up and add it to your journal. Using real life experiences to collect vocabulary makes learning more memorable and helps you use new words with confidence. Remember, every new word is a step forward. Don't worry about perfection. Just keep exploring and learning. Now, let's focus on our language target using past modals. Past modals, like might have and may have, help us talk about possibilities and guesses in the past. So, our first example, I might have missed some street art because I didn't walk down this alley. I'm making a guess about that possibility that I didn't see something. When I write might have, I can use the contraction might have, apostrophe VE. I might have missed some street art because I didn't walk down this alley. Now, I'd like for you to notice the pronunciation of missed. It is not missed, it is missed with a T sound. And when we take a look at might have, when I'm speaking, I'm going to be a little bit more softer and combine those two words. The T is soft and almost disappears and blends in with the have. So I get something like this. I might have missed, I might have missed. One more time. I might have missed, I might have missed. With may, the artist may have used brighter colors to get our attention. Here's our second sentence. The artist may have used brighter colors to get our attention. But wait, in English, we do not use the contraction may apostrophe VE. We'll say it, but we will not write it. So please be careful when you are writing your English. For the pronunciation of the beginning of this sentence, please notice used, not used, used. It is a D sound at the end of this word. For may have, again, it's going to combine and sound like one word. The H is a little bit silent or very, very soft, so may have. And when I say it faster, it's going to sound like may have or may have. May have, may have. So the beginning of this sentence will sound like this. The artist may have used. The artist may have used. Please listen carefully to my might have and may have pronunciation in my journal entries today. If you would like to get more pronunciation tips, let me know in the comments. Try making your own sentences about your walk using these past modals and share them in the comments. You can download today's PDF guide linked in the description. All this information and some journaling questions are there to guide you through today's walk and journal entry. Before we take a look at my journal entry, where I talk about my adventure on Queen Street West, this is the part of the video where I encourage you to practice your speaking by shadowing what I say. And if you're new to shadowing, check out my welcome video. Shadowing means listening to my sentences and repeating them out loud, copying my pronunciation and rhythm. This is a great way to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Give it a try. Let's go to my journal. I may not have seen these pieces of public art if I had not come to this area for another reason. It was a beautiful sunny day, so I explored some more. This sculpture is called Reflector and is created by Ji-Ling Lee. Before I saw the info plaque for this piece, I thought that the artist might have designed it to interact with the people. I was right. Queen Street West is a trendy area, and it is always changing. This piece invites you to look at the cityscape reflections and to walk inside and see your reflection with the ever-changing background of the space. I had seen this Lot 14 before along with some other similar sidewalk tiles, but I had no clue what it was about. My guess was that it may have referenced an old map, but why? This sign finally solved my problem. Scott Unson placed these around Queen Street to reflect the area's history. In this case, an 1827 map, where Queen Street didn't even exist yet. The artist also designed two other pieces of street furniture, the bike rings in the background of this picture, and the cityscape tree fences in my thumbnail. I had always wondered about those tree fences. I think public art is a great way to beautify and interact with the people. In this day and age, people take a lot of pictures and selfies and share them on social media. Cool pictures can motivate others to visit the area too. Word of mouth marketing for the win. I think it also encourages people to look around and not just walk from point A to point B. I think that might have been the case with this last one. I was looking down and saw these sidewalk plaques for the Toronto Book Awards. According to the City of Toronto website, the awards started in 1974 and celebrate written works inspired by the city or the people who live in Toronto. There are over 70 books on the list and 12 on the long list of candidates for this year. I might have to create a new reading challenge for next year. Now it's your turn. Go for a walk in your own space. Notice the public art around you and practice using past modals to talk about your experiences and your observations. Write a journal entry about your adventure. And remember, every step you take is a step forward in your English journey. Keep exploring and keep speaking. If you would like to get personalized feedback on your journal entry, become a WADE member by signing up on our website. Take a look at the next video for another great Walk-A-Day English language adventure. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please click on the subscribe button. Until our next walk, stay safe and go explore your space, one word at a time.